Yep, right now. So I can take pictures of it too. Well, I happen to be recording it. That's even better, isn't it? Oh, half a mile. Yep, I mean I'd say it's coming straight toward me. Yeah, but it's not one of those, I would say, you know, like devastation, terrible. I mean, it's picking up leaves. I see stuff in it, but it's not. It's just twisting. Up there goes a flash. It's blowing up some power lines now. Yeah, now. Oh yeah, I'm stopped. I'm in a parking lot. You hear the rain now? It's gonna pass right over me. Oh no, that's actually rain and debris, leaves and trees. The nearest tree to me is probably down the road from your house to the corner. Yep, there goes the roof off a house. And yep. Hang on, I love you. I'm okay, you already know. My truck is, I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. Still good. I'm still good, just now I got a problem with what I'm driving. It's damaged. No, looks like roofing blew off a building and got me. I mean, I'm okay. Don't worry for me. But